Welcome to our easy step-by-step guide on how to activate a beacon in Minecraft 1.16. If you're looking to harness the power of the beacon and gain special status effects like speed, haste, or regeneration, this guide will show you everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. Materials needed: 1 beacon, 9 glass blocks, 1 nether star, 3 obsidian blocks, a selection of mineral blocks, iron, gold, emerald, or diamond. Step 1. Craft the beacon. To start, you need to craft the beacon. Here's what you need: 3 obsidian, 5 glass blocks, 1 nether star, which you get by defeating the wither boss. Crafting recipe: place the 3 obsidian in the bottom row. Put the 1 nether star in the center. Surround the nether star with 5 glass blocks. Once crafted, the beacon will be placed in your inventory. Step 2. Build a pyramid base for the beacon. Next, you'll need to build a pyramid-shaped base to activate the beacon. The size of the pyramid determines the strength and range of the beacon's effect. First layer, smallest, 1 block high, made of 9 blocks, iron, gold, diamond, or emerald. Second layer, 7 blocks of mineral blocks. Third layer, 5 blocks. Fourth layer, 3 blocks. Fifth layer, optional. The very top layer can be a single block to place the beacon on. You don't have to build the full 5 layers. A 1-layer or 2-layer pyramid is enough for basic effects. However, the higher the pyramid, the more powerful the effect. Step 3. Place the beacon. Once your pyramid is ready, place the beacon on top of the center block of the top layer. The beacon will float on the pyramid, and you'll see a beam of light shoot into the sky, indicating it's active. Step 4. Activate the beacon. To activate the beacon and choose a status effect, right-click on the beacon, or use the appropriate interaction button for your platform. A menu will appear with the following options. Choose a primary power. You can select a power like speed, haste, resistance, jump boost, or strength. This depends on the size of the pyramid. 1 layer, 1 effect. 2 layers, 2 effects. 3 layers, 3 effects. 4 or 5 layers, 4 effects. Choose a mineral. You'll also need to select a mineral block, iron, gold, emerald, or diamond to activate the power. Activate the power. After selecting your desired effect, press the check button to activate it. Step 5. Enjoy the benefits. Once activated, the beacon will grant you the selected effect within a certain range of the pyramid. You can always return to the beacon and switch powers, as long as you have the necessary resources. And that's it. You've successfully activated your beacon and can now enjoy its powerful effects in your Minecraft world. Whether you want to mine faster, move quicker, or enhance your combat abilities, the beacon is a must-have for any adventurer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.